Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Rishi and you're watching Android editing. In this video we will make an abstract channel banner using Pixellab. So you can use this type of banners for gaming channels, but you can also use this for other channels also. It depends on you. So in this video we'll see which fonts should you use in a gaming channel banner, which type of colors should you use, and what are the informations which we should include in our banners. So we'll talk about all these things in this video. But before that, let me quickly introduce today's featured channel, Animate 8. He does allied motion tutorial videos in his channels. All his videos are really creative. I have given the link of his channel in my description box. Go check out his channel, subscribe him and support him. Moving on to the video, open Pixellab and delete this object. Select the image size to YouTube channel banner. Then click on the plus and from gallery add this image. Now this is a format on which you have to work. By the way, I'll give the link for everything in the description box. So if you don't want to make this banner, you can simply download it from there. But it will be password protected and the password will appear in the video in the top right side actually. So yeah, pay attention to the whole video. Okay, then select the background color to black. Alright, let's lock this layer. Okay, now click on the plus and go to shapes. Select the triangular shape. Alright, then select the gradient color. The right side I will select complete black, and in the left side I will select a slightly, yeah, this is perfect. Okay, slightly adjusting this gradient pattern. Alright, so you can basically adjust and place it as you like, or you can simply follow the way I am doing it. Alright, and then send this layer back, copying the layer and again adjust the size, position, rotate it properly and then place it and send it to back when you are done. Copy the layer again. So basically we are creating an abstract type of background using these shapes and gradient combinations. You can play with the shape, size. Okay, so it's done. Now you can, let me show it with a white background. So it will look like this when the background is white. Let me change it back to black. Alright, then you can go and merge these all layers, these three layers. Alright, merge it and then send it to back once again. Copy the layer, rotate it and place it on the left side and send it to back. Alright, so this is the look which you get. Adjust it. You can add more shapes if you want to. Now it depends on you. You can add more shapes, you can experiment out which shapes looks good. You can also use circular shapes. Now it depends on you. I think I've understood the basics how to make an abstract type of background. Alright, so when you are done with all these things, adjust it properly. Then we'll be adding some more shapes. Select this shape. Alright, now here you have to select a good color combination. You have to understand which color looks good. With black color, usually the orange color and the blue color looks very good. Adjusting the size. Place it somewhere like this and select stroke, white stroke with a stroke width of 2 and adjust it and bring this layer behind the format, the format layer which you have. resize it and place it properly as you want. Take your time, take your time. So now we are basically adding more shapes to make it look good. The same way, turning the strokes on. By the way, you guys are not subscribing to the channel. I'm seeing a lot of you are just watching the videos, like 52% of you are watching the videos without subscribing the channel. Why? Please subscribe the channel, stay tuned, turn on the bell icon. We will bring more such videos. And yes, a lot of you message me on Instagram saying promote my channel or collab with me. I can do only one channel in one video, and right now I'm a little busy, so it takes time for me to bring out videos, but very soon I will upload more videos. I think when I'll go back to college, I'll be uploading more videos. Alright, then merge these layers and send it to back. Alright, copy the layer, rotate it, place it on the left side and bring this layer behind the format layer. Okay, so this is our look which we got. Now the most important thing is text. Which font should you use? First of all, let me add a text like Android. The font here I will be using this Batman font. Now I'll give the link in the description box. You can simply download it. Now apply these colors on it. A should be blue and D should be blue. Now it's on you. You can just experiment out what you like. Align it properly. And then from gallery add this Instagram logos. Turn the color to blue and then simply add your Instagram name and all these things. Alright. So if you guys want this complete banner, then there's a link in description. I'll give the project file link also. You can just download it from there. You don't have to do all these things. But if you want to learn something new and if you want to create yourself, then you can definitely try this out in Pixellab. These are some easy steps. You can do it simply adding the logos and putting the text. And yes, the font link will be in the description box, the Batman font. You can get it from there. This font really looks great in gaming channel banner, right? So you can use this font. So if you're using a mobile phone for YouTube, then you can only see this portion of the channel banner. But if you're using a computer or desktop view using Chrome, then you can see the complete banner. Then you can merge all the layers except the black layers. Bring it back. Alright, then you can go to color filters and adjust the hue to change the color. You can just play with all these settings to find out which color looks good. So yeah, that's all for this video. I really hope you have learned something new from this video. How to make an abstract type of banner, how to make the abstract backgrounds in Pixellab, which font should you use, which color should you use. Alright, that's all for this video. See you again in the next video. Till then, stay safe and keep creating.